here's the big surprise. Here at August Luxury Motorcars with Mike Hall. He just sold me the Hey guys, RyFips back on the channel. You just saw a little model page, but now it's my turn. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna go take Big G back to August Luxury Motorcars because I had it out on the Dream Rally, but I wanna sell it. It needs to go, so they need to have it to be able to sell it. Good news is I'm dropping that off and the Lamborghini Espada is all fixed up. So it had quite a bit of issues. It didn't actually, well, it did finish the Dream Rally. It just couldn't make it back to my house because it had some issues. Tell you about them later. And then the other thing is Okanagan Dream Rally. I was the high bidder of the Lamborghini drip art painting. It's super, super sick. Thanks a lot, Damon from DDE, for bidding me up through the roof. But hey, it's all good. It was for charity. It's for a good cause. So we're going to go head over to August Motors right now so we can get this stuff done. Let's go. All right, guys, I love the G-Wagon. I love this big thing. So I just had to go through the vineyard one last time. I'm sure August doesn't mind cleaning the truck up. So yeah, that's it. This is my final time driving through the vineyard. Off to August, here we go. All right, guys, here we are back at August Motors. Big G's, natural habitat with all the other G-Wagons. She's in her happy place, so let's go buy a car. Hey guys, here at August Luxury Motorcars with Mike Hall. He just sold me the Lamborghini Espada, little model page. You're gonna be upset about this.
Wasn't my fault.
Yeah, little surprise in the garage coming for you. So, here you go, sir.
Thank you.
There's a check for you.
There you go, buddy. There's the paperwork.
Paperwork. It is officially mine.
And the official Lamborghini Espada keys.
Love it.
Super high tech, eh?
Fiat keys, aren't they? Are they Fiats?
I think I used to have this key as a locker key back in the day, right?
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Okay, buddy.
Great doing business with you, buddy.
Nice doing business with you.
Sweet.
Thanks again for your support.
No worries, man.
And I guess there's one more thing.
Yeah, we gotta do the check and pick up the painting.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. My originally I thought I was gonna bid maybe like $1,000 for this painting, and then I was like, hey, well, you know, as we were at the auction for the Dream Rally, I was seeing things were going, they're really going for crazy prices. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll go get up to $5,000. And then I was standing beside Damon from DDE, and he just started going nuts. So we went like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I went up to Damon at this time, and I'm like, Damon, look, 10 is my max. I'm not going any higher than this. So I'm like, 10. And he immediately goes, 11. And I was like, oh my God, I'm like, when is this gonna stop? I'm like,
never.
So it just kept going. And then finally I was like, okay guys, I'm done at 15 grand. Like seriously, I'm done. Like,
yeah. It went higher, you paid 16?
No, I paid 15 for it. 15, and then Lindsay went on stage for an extra $1,000.
Oh, okay, that's why 16, okay, yeah.
So yeah, so $16,000 went to the Ronald McDonald House, KGH Foundation. So I've got a little check for these guys too. So.
Perfect.
So here's my check.
And here's the painting.
Here's the painting. This is what I paid $16,000 for right here.
One of the kids did it. It was
one
great.
of a kind by Zach.
Yeah.
You know, links in description. You'll see it below. All that kind of crap. So let's flip the sucker around so you guys can see what it looks like.
There you go.
This is freaking cool, man. This thing
So
is
cool.
rad. So this is the most expensive piece of art I've ever paid for, like by far. I don't think I'll ever, but I'm actually getting a second piece custom made by Zach.
Yeah.
It is 12 feet long and about 2 feet wide, custom for my house. And it's gonna be really rad. And it is, yeah, it's much cheaper than this. So hit up Zach if you want some custom cool stuff done.
Yeah.
But yeah,
It's a nice
thank you so
piece.
much,
Yeah,
man.
no problem.
That
Thanks
was,
for your help.
that
Thanks for
was
your support.
awesome.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
So, well, this is yours.
Yeah,
so there you
thank
go. I now have, I got a painting, so I'm out of here, guys. See you later.
And it'll fit in the back of the Espada.
Best thing about this Espada, all the trunk space in the world. Check it out. So guys, back in the Spada, it's insured, it's plated. It didn't quite make it on the Dream Rally. It made it all the way to Penticton, came back to Kelowna, got to August, but it was overheating like crazy, and the transmission was leaking so much fluid that we had to leave it at the shop. So now they've redone the gasket, resealed it up, so the transmission's tickety-boo, all good. Overheating issues, all taken care of. So she's good to go. She can go home. So now we get to surprise little model Paige with the car. So I can't wait for that. Let's go. It was part of the Okanagan Dream Rally, which is a rally that's been put on by the August Foundation. It's the 4th year that they've done it. The first 3 years, they raised $800,000. And this year, year 4, we matched it. We raised another $800,000. So in 4 years, we've raised $1.6 million for Ronald McDonald's House, which takes care of children in need, sick kids. And KGH Foundation, our local hospital, is building this place called Joanna's House. And that's for people that are from out of town. They've got a place to stay so they can visit their family that's sick at the hospital. So that's the money that was raised, but the actual Okanagan Dream Rally is for the children. So it's for kids in need, kids that are sick, kids that are underprivileged. We're putting a smile on their face for one day. They get to ride in a supercar, they get to have an experience that they've never had before, or they may never will get to have again. And it's all about those smiles. 230 cars were in it this year. Over 230 kids smiled because of this. So I encourage everyone to get involved, whatever you can do, donate. If you've got a nice car, try and get your car into the rally. Our American friends, Steve POV and Alex Choi, they made the trek up from California. Like, how cool is that? So this is growing like crazy, and we can't wait to see what August is going to put on for next year. So Matt, you're going to have to step up your game, buddy. All right, guys, let's welcome the Spada to Lamborghini Kelowna. And let's get it all wrapped up for little model Paige because she's almost home. All right, guys, little model Paige's car is all wrapped up. We got the bow on it. We're ready to go.
Super attractive. What is in there? No, what is in there?
Come on.
What are you doing?
Get over here.
For my eyelashes.
Let's see. Okay, here we go. You gotta keep it on, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the big surprise.
I feel like I'm not going to be happy about this.
Oh no, you'll be super happy. It's all good. All right, are you ready? I'm nervous.
Done my makeup.
I'm nervous. It's okay. I'm nervous. Grab my hand, boo. Grab my hand.
I don't trust you right now. I don't like walking when I can't see.
Okay, stop right there. Are you ready?
I can smell gas.
Are you ready for this? Oh, I got it. Ready?
Is it this spot?
Here we go.
I hate this car. Ryan, it's the ugliest freaking thing. I could smell it before I even need to see it.
Isn't it amazing?
No.
So, congratulations.
I don't want it.
Congratulations, you got a new car, boo.
I don't want it.
But wait, no, you love it, don't you?
No.
No. Okay, well, I got you a present, so I brought you a present. So,
My bag?
yeah, your bag. But look inside. Take it out.
Does this have 3M?
3M? No, not yet.
Doesn't need it. No! This is the
But look, we can be
ugliest.
twins.
I don't want this. This is terrible. Are you kidding me?
This is the surprise that I had for you for like 2 months. Remember I said I got you a present?
Mm-hmm.
This is it.
I hate it.
She's in love.
This is brutal.
And on that bombshell, we're out. Peace. Subscribe, tap it.
Oh my god, really?